This is a short-term rental tour of the Carriage house at Sunnyside. It's such an adorable studio space, and one thing that's really fun about this Airbnb is it has this great outdoor seating area, and a lot of Airbnbs don't have outdoor space. I'm not going to tour it right now because it's not set up because it's out of season, but also right behind this fence there's this really cool outdoor shower feature that's available seasonally, so that's a fun thing. And this seating area is great. So this is your front door. It's got a smart lock, and let's go in. So your parking space is right outside that gate. And when you first come in, you come into this really fun little foyer, and you can take your shoes off. I did, just to make sure I keep their floor clean. They've got all these fun hatch prints from Nashville events, which are just a pretty iconic Nashville thing and so fun to see all the activities that go on. There's a great mirror, a tote to take to the farmer's market, yoga mat, umbrellas, everything you need. And then they also have laundry in this unit, which is a huge bonus. You just pull this back and there's a washer, dryer, and then they have the laundry essentials over here. So you can use that, do your own laundry while you're here. Okay, let's head upstairs and see the space. They do have some contact information on this wall right here that I'm gonna deliberately cut off, but if you need to get in touch with your host or know the Wi-Fi password, it's all written there in this really cool mural. And you come right up to this awesome eating space. This is like perfect for everything. I mean, it's a breakfast nook, it's a work table, it's a sit and chat with your friends space. So anything you wanna do, it's a great little area. And right on into the kitchenette. So this is a true studio space, but they have maximized every single square inch. They've got a fridge with a freezer, a microwave, a toaster oven, full coffee maker, trash, recycling, everything you could need right there. And then over here, you've got your silverware and stuff in this drawer, hot water pot, an espresso, dishes. This is one of the coolest pieces about this place though, is there's this is actually a dishwasher. So you can throw your items in here and run a load of dishes, which is so cool. There's also a full cooktop and oven. So really you could, like, it is a small space, but you could cook a huge meal in this area, which is fantastic. And then you've got that great little dining table. So here's kind of a view of that full area. There's also this notebook that we've got in every property, and it's got information about the property and the neighborhood. So pulling back into the living space, there's a smart TV, entertainment center, and this is where you'll sleep this cozy queen bed. If you don't want a bed share, or if you have a third person, they also have this lovely day bed as well that doubles as kind of couch space. This chair is super comfy, so you can really kick back and enjoy your evening. Or if you were working on the road, this is like the biggest win. This dormer, which first of all is just adorable, also doubles as an office space. So if you are somebody that works remote all the time like I do, you are set to go. In fact, I just had a guest last week ask if I knew of a space with like a dedicated office. And I'm so excited to say I do. This is such a great office space. There's also this huge bedroom closet. So they have sheets for the day bed, extra sheets, hangers, luggage rack. I mean, really everything you need. The iron's back in there. So this is a great space. You can even tuck your suitcases away in here. Since it is a studio, it's nice to be able to get those suitcases out of the way. And then this bathroom is absolutely huge. So first of all, I love this gorgeous fabric, which is a callback to the host spent some time abroad. And so this fabric calls back to that, but it also provides some vibrant color and privacy. There's this great shower. They've got the gel, conditioner, shampoo, everything you need there. This really well organized space for linens, and there's tons of extras under that cabinet, like first aid kit, anything you might have left behind, like a toothbrush, etc. And then toilet over here. and tons of supplies, hairdryer, tissues, all the things that you would need there. So this is just a really bright, beautiful, huge bathroom space that I really think you're going to love. So I'll give you kind of one more all-encompassing view of the space. And that way you can kind of get an idea of the layout as well. Sometimes it's hard to do that in a walkthrough. And of course, these room darkening blinds do close. And there you go. So welcome to the Carriage House at Sunnyside. And I've put all the information in the caption below, and I know that they would love to have you book. I am personally hosting this space right now, so I would love to be your short-term rental host. Come stay with us.